Welcome to day 16 of me backtesting my way to success. As you may have already noticed, my win rate is unusually high. Yeah, at the end of yesterday's episode, I had like 20 wins and 2 losses, and I was up almost 15%, I think 14 point something. And now I got 11 more wins. I have a win rate of almost 94%, and I'm up 28.59%. That's pretty insane if you ask me. And so I got 11 more wins, and somehow I doubled my the percentage I'm up by, you know. And the reason for that is because I took a trade with 6 take profits, and the last take profit had a risk reward ratio of 6 point something, I believe. And so all take profits were hit. And yeah, I'm up by almost 30%. My win rate is almost at 94%, which is pretty insane. So let's just see if today's episode is gonna end as well as yesterday's episode did. Okay, so first trade was a loss. The reason I entered was a 4-hour fair value gap right here. There was a liquidity sweep right here. And on a break of structure in the lower time frame, I entered right here. Take profit was this daily fair value gap. Hold up. Right here, this daily fair value gap. And also the reason I entered was because of this 4-hour fair value gap to the downside and this 4-hour order block to the downside. And usually when that happens, at least that's what I've noticed, that price ignores those two confirmations, takes out the previous area of liquidity, and then goes up, then goes not necessarily up or down, but goes in the direction that the confluences say price will. I mean, it did kind of, but it didn't go into this daily fair value gap. And instead, it looks like price is going to go up to take out even this area of liquidity, go into this fair value gap. And yeah, and then go down into this daily fair value gap again. So I guess I could have been a bit more patient, but this definitely was a break of structure to the downside. Or maybe I could have placed 2 take profits. One should have been this area of liquidity, and the second one should have been the beginning of the fair value gap, so that I would have at least gotten 1 take profit. But yeah, other than that, I don't know what I did wrong. And I think if it reacts with the daily fair value gap from back there, then I'm definitely going to enter for a short. But let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so just like I said, I entered this trade off of this daily fair value gap, this area of liquidity that got taken out, and off of a break of structure. And as you can see, take profits were previous areas of liquidity. So right here, right here, right here, those 3 were hit. My other 3 take profits were not hit. And so once price kind of went back up and then consolidated a bit right here, that's at this point I moved my stop loss down to, I believe, to about this area, like at least break even. And so yeah, I got stopped out, still made profit, but yeah, 3 take profits were not hit, so that's that. Price instead went up to take out even more areas of liquidity, and also price went into another daily fair value gap that was even above this. But yeah, I was considering, like I said, entering here, but it did not touch the order block, so I was, I was waiting for more confidence, but it didn't happen. And that's fine. So yeah, it went into the. It looks like it's going to. Oh no, it already touched the. Was it an order block or was it? It was a fair value gap. So I will probably take one more trade and then I gotta go really fast because I have training soon and still got a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so I actually did not take another trade because I really have to go soon. And yeah, I gained one loss today, which was due to impatience, I guess you could say that, and 6 wins. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Hello, stop the recording. We'll see you in the next one.